Now this video gives you step-by-step instructions on how to mount your antlers to your laminate plaque. Now what you want to do is you want to cut your skull cap to be 3/8 of an inch from the burr and 1/2 inch from the panel. Now what we mean by that, okay, is this is a set of antlers like I've had laying around for a long time. I usually leave them laying with sheds because I really don't have anything to do with them. So you want to have a flat back basically, okay, on your skull cap. You want to have shallow sides. You want everything to be 1/2 inch to 3/8 of an inch from the burr. That's the bottom part of the antler here. And what that's going to do is you want it to look similar to this one, okay? This was an existing one I had laying around, like I said. And that's going to give you enough room to put this plate cover on top, okay? And really give it that classy look when you don't see two screw holes right here. Now what you don't want to do is you don't want to have one like this, okay? See how this one has like flared sides? It's really deep right here. Well, you don't want that because this is going to give it a hard time. It's not going to cover. So the instructional manual that comes with this gives you the exact measurements on what you want to do whenever you do a skull cap. Now since these ones were existing ones that I already had and they weren't fresh off of like a European mount, you can get exact precision cuts. With this one I took a Dremel, cut the back off, cut the sides off, really cleaned it up to give it that shallow depth of field so I got plenty enough room to put this cover over top. Once you get your skull cap cut, you want to drill 2 holes through the center of the cap. That's what you're going to use to mount to your plaque with the screws that are provided, okay? Then you want to measure 5 inches from the bottom of the antler cap cover, okay, this is the antler cap cover. Measure 5 inches from the bottom, and then you want to make 2 small marks. That's the cutting marks you're going to use for the antlers to poke through. Then you want to measure the inner distance in between the antlers. What I mean is from here to here, okay? Then you're going to mark that on your skull cap cover. Then you want to measure the diameter around your antlers. Right around here you want to measure the diameter. And then you want to take that measurement and you want to make circles on your skull cap cover so you know where to cut so you don't mess up this cover. After you make your circles on your cap cover, then you want to continue to cut from the back of the cover that no one's going to see up to your circles and then cut your circles out. Then you want to dry fit or test fit your cover over top of your antlers. And then you use your finish nails. Okay, this is where the hammer comes in. Use your finish nails. You poke through the antler cover. That's what's going to hold on to your plaque. Okay? And after you get your cover on, your antlers are mounted, the last and final step is you take this gold rope and then you want to measure roughly with your fingers. Just hold the gold rope around and then cut and then glue the ends where you want this gold rope to be, and that's just like a gap filler. That's just going to cover any imperfections that you may have if you make your hole a little bit too big, a little bit too small. That's just going to take care of that and give it that real classy look there. The plaques come with pre-slotted spots for easy mounting, and then you're ready to showcase your existing trophies or your new trophies you may have got this year.